team, Dr. Love, Pretty Girl Storm. You don't know the channel one that they have to keep the people them warm. You understand me? Fret them. You don't know the channel one that tell it to them. See it there again? Well, I'm a laughing fool, well, she didn't so cool. She broke my heart and made me cry. But can you rule and that's right too? Confession, you can read that stuff. We read it in the magazine. See it there? The channel and dance it. Now take back down. Boom.
Say because she never get you for bring down Hugo and turn. That's all. That's all. Abe. And back Christopher. The Christopher come here while look rub. Come rub on my brother. Can you add back Christopher?
Everybody
more Christopher come Scruba dog, Rubba the bar.
Everybody.
I want my brother to come tell her how she ugly.
Yes, you're ugly,
my blood clot. Where?
Fucking close out a barrel.
But blacks video can and blacks have had him through them. If blacks hungry, a crackhead.
Remember at the party?
What a crackhead I do with so much jewelry?
Yeah, but remember the
look
party?
Look my brother. Where there? When you saw my brother banging. I wanna look for my brother well slick. Look for Christopher.
Christopher, madam. Mag up on them. Ow.
Blacks, me know say can't make up story for you.
Clean life, you know?
Yep. Yeah, he's an angel.
Yeah, Blacks, the link after next.
How you mean?
The link after blood clot. Big up yourself, real Donna London.
Donna London, what's
nice
up?
Mother. For my nice mother.
Go there, mommy.
Hey.
Mommy clean or white? How you mean?
My mother clean. My mother clean, nice woman.
Yes. Hugo need to come.
The blood clot, dirty girl. I will clean out to the wall, come dirty up. But we never give her the opportunity for she come dirty up the house.
Chris cock up his foot. Don't kill me.
Everybody asks
questions
and people are type it's not on me a type of
but my MR2's me.
She not answer. She can't answer. She's a liar.
Freaking
lying. She tell too much lie.
She need to talk and tell the people them the truth, yo.
Yeah, Chris, you got yourself in your blacks.
You go as much as you and
Black's gone or I'm still there?
This is going for Tanya and Chris.
Yeah, but we already sure I said no scamming never go on. So what she talk about scamming same way.
No
So the
scamming
man
never
here,
go
the man
on.
attack, The man there here and attack,
Yeah, blacks.
Big up blacks. Blacks are the dads. Right. You are the boss.
That's that, man.
Yeah.
She never.
Blacks are real
never-
youth. Real youth. Yeah.
Yes, she never finished that job what she go for do.
Right.
Yes.
Yes, her bad. Yeah, because she want to kill him.
Kill him and then go back to England. Right.
Exactly. Tell the people them, too much are dead. When you hear me come here and talk, I said too much are dead. And Hugo was going to be the third.
Yeah.
But let me tell you something, my liar blood clot tell the girl.
Right.
Dragon.
Right.
Never look back at you. Not like that.
I leave it. But no, you have something to prove when there is nothing to prove.
Right.
She lie no blood clot.
Yeah.
You're not listening. She fucking gets away with it all the time, all the time.
Yeah. She never get away with this. She didn't get away with that one, yeah. That one, yeah, hard. She need to get a
Not a word, man. Who would I know say Hugo would have escape from her? You understand?
And the
And
same
he did.
people, but Tanya,
that is working.
The same people that he was arguing with are the same ones that end up saving him. You see that?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, Puss thinks that I am mighty. I shouldn't believe in a God, because the things that we Puss do, you can never believe in a God and do it.
Right. Yeah.
Right? And this Batman boy with him Nickel. Me don't know what the boy want with me when fuck girl in them batty. You understand?
Exactly.
If you do your local music, DJ something, you do it when you doing a people woman mix up. Eh? You just have your mouth promise so dirty man. I me don't know you. Me no blood clot know you. I have your mouth promise. The dirty man, me don't know him blacks. More than the woman, him claim say him and her a big friend. Me not give a fuck. That's not my concern.
Right.
Let go off from my blood clot name, dirty man. Because you, me talk to you. I'm a ask because this is England, the dirty man, you know. Because when him tell me say the people them spread rumors say him used to fuck him daughter, I'm a ask him how you feel. Him say very bad. So I say okay, the way I think my baby father feel.
Right.
For Puss I spread rumors.
Exactly.
Me say the same way how I do me. Fuck with her, you see. Fuck with her, you see what she gonna do with you. Remember, me gonna live for sister, rub out your dirty blood clot, Mikkel. And tell some lie for you. She can't get along with nobody. Not even her own blood clot pitney them.
Our own mother.
Only don't mind her, I put up a one more like say. If Puss was a good mother, our son would have got prison at 12, get 8.5 years.
Exactly.
She was a good mother.
Yeah.
She was a good mother. 120-year-old with fuck out her underage daughter and breed her.
Right.
She was a good mother. She would have custody of her daughter's son.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Omar could not go to prison. Omar could not go to jail. Yeah.
I'm hearing you. I said yes.
God, Jesus.
I said yes.
Someone's just written up to Nico that they're looking for addresses and they've got yours and they just read it out. The man faced on sad.
Yes, the face is sad. Because him is a problem. Right. Why is Mikkel entertaining her?
Exactly. You should stay out of it. Where the hell am I go? Where the Rasta go?
I
Him
don't
know
know this
nothing.
man. I don't know what this man
Nobody
want with
don't know
me.
this man. Nobody know where the
I
fuck
don't
him
know
come
this
from.
fucking man.
He come out of nowhere. AkA Tanya, move your blood clot. You know nothing? Him don't know nothing of nothing. This idiot boy. A problem, Tanya, a problem. Them a look. Them always a look fucking problem with
Oh,
people.
please. I thought Mr. I should never go visit him. Then no must Mr.
He
The
never
man, the
visit
girl
her.
Pitney spent 5 years behind bar. His mom never visit him.
Ever.
Never.
Ever.
Let's shut the fuck up, Mikkel. Shut your fucking mouth.
Right?
Shut your mouth. And at the end of the day, no matter what you is to your children, they're gonna still love you.
Right.
Same way.
Yep.
Especially a boy Pitney.
Exactly. That's all they care about is all mix up. The fuck? This is somebody's life, yo. Somebody's life. Somebody's boy child. Holy fuck. I'm sick. Mikhail need to go sit down.
Yeah, that's why he's saying that move your nasty suck cocky blood clot.
Right?
You suck cocky like that. You should take away yourself. Take away yourself. You're gonna get where you get the first time.
Exactly.
Take away your blood clot self. Stop calling me name, dirty man.
Right?
Love me. Love me, dirty man. Me don't know you.
Exactly.
Get too enough. Yeah, one dirty suck cocky boy.
Right?
No.
Right?
But you did over there entertain her.
Yeah.
I want him changing blood clot tune.
Right.
Watch.
Yeah.
Watch. Tattoo blood clot much.
Watch. Yeah.
Calm down where? At the Batman boy. What so cocky boy where they on our life we are call up my name.
Here you big mouth.
You me nah stop, come out.
Exactly.
Kaya should have leave me alone.
Right.
You have all opportunity to leave me and my children alone. I wouldn't. Me nah stop.
Nope.
Me I go birth.
We not stop.
Hey,
we not
you
stop.
going to get bring them
She not
bitch.
see the half of it yet, yeah? Tanya, she don't see the half of it yet. Don't worry.
Yeah, the boy, the cocky boy actor.
Yeah. Tanya. Tanya, kill me.
Don't worry, you go soon come. Don't worry.
Don't worry. Right.
Don't worry, he will come.
Yeah.
No news, the fake. No blood clot news, the fake. I hear the fake.
Right.
Hear there?
Gotcha.
You hear them? They tell me a black. You gonna do us because you have to share. You gonna want you.
Hey, no shit.
Yeah, hear about you go have to come bring you down. So no matter where you want, stay. You gonna get bring down.
Right. Watch out, this Chris guy here. He's so cocky boy.
Living again.
Me don't know where the man live. Remember the pan life, auntie. Me don't know where him live.
Is it Stratford?
I don't know,
I don't
auntie.
know. We're not on it.
I don't know where he
We're
live.
not on it.
Alright, but here and about you go talk and you go know say she have to share it's her kids and her grandkids time. Like you go give a fuck about your mongrel blood clot criminal picking them.
Kids them. You're mad. If he don't care about her, how is he gonna care about the kids? Get the fuck out of here. Him run left our
Exactly.
blood clot and left the picnic them and everybody over there. Yeah.
Are you gonna care about your blood clot criminal picnic there?
Hugo free like a bird right now. Hugo all about. Nobody to talk and call him every minute. I look for him. He's free.
She not make no sense. Too much of she know. Make she stay over there with her lies. Anything where you say, Hugo will talk. But bring
Right.
Hugo to the table. Don't worry.
Don't
There ain't no
worry.
rush.
No, it'll happen in due time. In due time. Just wait for it. Yeah, you will see. Dirty big cow. If she only know how Hugo hate her like poison.
Hey, sure no. Hugo eat her like blood clot poison.
Hugo say, fuck who, fuck who. Say you're mad. Hugo say you're mad. Yo, not like her.
Shower waist girl black. Shower big dirty waist girl. I waste my energy party more than you go have to come talk and then me make the law.
Yep. Make the
You
law
know that
deal with
girl,
her.
she live for the internet black and she live for lie.
Yep. Big liad. Are the worst liad online, yeah? She and the ape. The two
Your
fucking
grandkids, they
monkey
but you
them.
lose one. You could have one. Why you could have had a child? Why he's adopted out? Why you
Right.
could have grow him?
Right?
What? I will get you a phone.
Hear the lies. Hear the lies how
Yeah,
fast
black.
it come out our mouth.
All right, blacks. Tomorrow, blacks. Tomorrow. May we chat tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah. Big up
All right.
yourself, blacks. Later.
Yeah, man.
Alright. She's mad. She's mad. She's big mad. Oh,
Is on the candidate. So whosoever over and go with upon the candidate show, tell candidate to join the show so we can just
shut up.
Why this
Nah,
man
look
a
for
call
no lights
him?
over there.
Like, Charlie don't call him, people.
Prove yourself. We're not big friend over
I don't
here.
know
Go
him
ahead.
anywhere. I don't
Go
join
ahead.
people's live.
Right?
What do you hear about?
Damn drunk, bro. Damn right.
It's not about Hugo. You don't know what they're talking about. You don't know what they're talking about. Oh, Hugo catch me with man. Them stories make up this woman, make up this story.
You know, make up
She
story.
lie. How is it a
You
make-up
hear
story
black?
and so much
When
people
you hear
hear it?
black, don't talk.
Right.
Me not tell blacks what to say.
Exactly.
All right, Christopher. Go and enjoy yourself, brother.
All right, Chris.
Bye, Christopher.
Later.
Yeah, cat, will you come over? Listen, Kandy, you know hear from blacks, you understand? Don't worry. People, you guys very damaged right now, and I'm giving him time to heal. You understand? And have like a peace. The man come out of prison and go back in our prison. The man is healing, me not rush him. She not going nowhere. She's not going nowhere. So in the end of the day, oh, them a report your page, sister. In the end of the day, me not kill up myself, Kandy, you understand? She's saying that, oh, where is Hugo? Don't worry, Hugo is gonna come. I'm not rushing. I'm not rushing. I just called Black so Blacks could say his story and many people them know you're a liar. I don't know why you play the voice, right? You never want Blacks to talk to Hugo. I don't know what the fuck you're on about. You know, I need to make my ice cream, but I want ice cream maker. For me and my baby, they make ice cream together. Yeah. Me no lie. Everything what me say you do post, me have proof about it.
Yeah.
Me not have to lie.
Them a report me blood clot
So
page.
you
And
are
me go
play the
talk with no
voice note.
more.
I say, oh, me lie because you Braxton already had the address. First of all, the voice note will play the tape. Blacks say, let me speak to Hugo. Are you the pan? In my ear, yo. Talk in my ear, yo.
Yeah.
You go in the background and say, dog, where you there? People. Because she couldn't stop blacks from coming because you got this side in mindset. A
Him
blacks
one
him
left.
say and a blacks him say.
Right.
One of them makes your blood clot fool, you know.
Right.
Pure blood. Hey. Tell it to
She
lie,
use
man.
one
Go, man.
phone so she can see everybody who Hugo talk to, and then inquire about
Exactly.
who
Remember,
they
say the
are and
next
stuff.
day, you know,
Right.
black talk to you go get one phone, one must say Kevin brother who and
Right.
call blacks and give black the address.
Mm-hmm.
You would allow you go for talk to blacks.
She mash
You
up
wouldn't.
Hugo phone. She mash it up and take out the SIM card, people.
Hey, people,
You
we
guys
don't
don't
even
know the
fucking
half.
know.
You guys don't
I'm
know the fucking
fucking
half.
tired of this bitch.
I'm
Like, really, I
drained.
am.
Like, it's so much.
I'm tired of this lying fucking scumbag.
Yeah, she's
Pussy, that
lie.
dirty fucking stinking scumbag. You're too lie.
You're too fucking
I don't
lie.
know what you get out to lie, bro. Stop with the fucking lie. Like,
Bullshit.
the more you lie, the more you're gonna tangle up yourself. I don't need to lie.
Exactly. There's
We
no
over
need.
speaking.
We have
You
proof
don't have to
though.
play.
Go sit down. She need to go sit down.
As
Yeah,
I
man.
said, in due time, Hugo is gonna come and talk about. Remember, no, the
Everything.
last time your son was on your live and said, Mom, when are you gonna come home? I haven't seen you for
Right.
how many years? And here I know. But Tyrese, me must say, me come look for you before me go away. And the little boy said, No, Mom, you
No.
never.
Right.
No, you never. That was when Brittany gave her the money to go home
Home.
to
Yes.
see your fucking son. And you
And
said
she
on your
take the
live,
money.
me and my time now, me want cocky in my hole. My son can't fuck me. That's what you fucking say. Stop come talk about time for your kids and them. There's a no bumbleclad, stinking, dirty, wicked mama.
So she never
But
knew
anyway, you're
that
wicked.
taking care of
But
her kids would be
your
important.
children, them gonna still love you no matter what it is.
Right.
They're gonna still love their mom, no matter how evil it is.
Right.
But at the end of the day, stop talking about, yeah, you go discuss a time for your kids them. It was never time for your kids them.
Never. Only thing that was
You
on her
don't give a
mind
fuck.
every day was Hugo, Hugo,
And
Hugo,
you go
get me
family
this,
and me, red
Hugo,
bird.
Red Boot, him
Again,
again,
mama.
mama. Like every
Thinking
fucking
pussy
day,
banda.
right?
Rallying fuck the pitney them.
Every day she's
But
thinking
it's not
about
us.
how
Do not
to set
worry.
up Tanya and her
Me I
family
tell you,
then.
say, Mr. Post to
Fuck,
blood clot in a it.
right?
What the fuck you say? You almost get my brother killed.
She
What the
don't want
fuck you
nobody.
say?
Listen, people, she never wanted anybody around Hugo, no friends, no none of that. She wanted Hugo to only run to her for help. You see what I'm saying? And nobody else. But like she tell, she buck up in a blood clot blocks and see it there, him gone home. Yeah. Hugo left. Nobody's gonna sit there and make you do that to their child, Puss.
That's why she
Are you
get blocked.
fucking kidding?
And then got
Yeah,
blocked.
that's why she cussed him. Yes, because he took Hugo from her. You see what I'm saying? He seen the
Yep.
wickedness and Puss our cuss him stink. Him and his girl. Cuss them. Yeah, but she never answered the phone.
But she
So why
never
you think
want
Blacks is gonna answer
she
his
never
phone?
wanted to help Hugo.
Right. She wanted
Cause she
yeah.
want Hugo to go back with her. She knows she's coming back to England. But she want to kill him
Kill him
first.
first
She want
before
to
she
finish the
go.
job.
Yes. And then she was gonna take her flight out. But see, bitch, God work in mysterious ways. When you do evil, evil
Yeah.
comes right back to you. So just yeah, just sit there and wait. You're gonna get you're in the perfect place right now.
Bunny,
So you
blacks
gonna
never
go to
scam
the
me.
airport with Puss?
Eh?
Pardon?
You gonna go airport with Puss?
Which
Oh,
airport?
you go forgot airport with Puss or you go left
Hugo
Puss?
left post 3 weeks ago, Candy. Left her in the fucking place by herself. Run.
Fuck
Him
around.
run gone. Him run to blood clot with his foot slippers in his hand. Run. Yeah? The boy run. Him fed up. Him tired of it. The man left on the messages. Chris, come pick me up, dog. Me have a headache. Me can't deal with this.
Hear
Can't deal
him.
with it. Yeah.
She don't make
But
the
the
man
plan for
leave.
She
Hugo
don't
get
make
the
him
time.
sleep. If Hugo come home and's tired, she attacking him ears. Hugo, you know, say it's your sister them, you know, or your family them, you know, and talking out the man's ears and taping him at the same time. Taping the man behind his back. Who does that? And you say that that's a person that you
Yep.
so-called love? Fuck out of here, bitch. You ain't gonna use nobody ever again after your blood.
She
After this.
definitely don't love Hugo. She don't love Hugo
No.
one bit.
She only
No,
did
she
it
never.
because she wanted to use Hugo to get back at Tanya. Tanya never do the blood clot, yeah, nothing. Nothing. And she start texting upon blood clot, Tanya. You want
Yep.
Tanya's life, bitch, and you can't get
So
it.
I'm alive.
You want to be a good mom to your kids, them. Like how Tanya is, a good man like Rollin, who is in his kid's life, taking care of his family, going to work every day. Bitch, you don't have that. And that's what you want. Whatless blood clot, cutlass. Whatless
Yep.
old dog shit. Whatless.
Evil piece of woman.
Yeah. You said
Evil
it,
to the
you have your
core.
kids them teeth and do all kind of fucking shit, and then you want to turn around and make it seem as if we are bad mothers. Get the fuck out of here. You're mad. We'll never do what you do. We are not criminals. We are not thief. Okay?
Me.
Learn that blood clot. We squeaky clean over here. Move
No
your
Like
dirty
pork
Jesus
grass.
teeth.
Christ.
No pork teeth over here.
No
The
pork
girl see
teeth.
the port,
Fucking
one
pork
Ella
teeth.
Portland
Me
birth
blood
center.
clot, Candy.
We think that what me attack.
Candy.
Fuck out of here. When
Fucking pork
every time we go
teeth.
Jamaica, we go Portland. I
Right?
at least not spend a 10 grand, I swear.
Yep.
Because it's like $1,000 for a portion of pork or jerk chicken.
Right.
But because enough away, plus
Yes.
people like 2 load away, I buy for everybody.
Of course.
Buy for everybody.
She
Like
teeth the people them
fuck,
blood
10,000,
clot pork to
10
Ras.
to 12,000 Jamaica. That's
But
nothing.
hold
That's
on.
like £100.
Didn't she just say that she gave Chris $2,000 to put gas in the car, and she ended up bringing them to a jerk spot to go get chicken, and she
She
buy
never
everybody
buy
food?
them nothing
She
and them
said
buy them own food.
she fucking lies. She tell the people them for her lies. So she buy everybody food.
Yes, Ali,
Everybody.
bastard.
Fucking
I
lying
lie the
Ras.
bitch a tell. Lie, she a
Lie.
tell. She got take the people them pork. One piece of excitement.
Hugo have to
I
take
throw
back
it in
the
a dirty
pork.
bag.
Take back the pork out of the blood clot bag and give the people them back them pork.
No, she throw it in her bag. Them never want it. She have to
Oh,
pay for it,
she had
but
to pay for
she
it.
go on bad.
No, but
She go
Hugo,
on bad.
I thought Black said that Hugo took it
No, that
out.
I don't at all.
Oh,
No, that
okay,
I don't
okay,
at
okay,
all.
okay, okay, yeah, yeah.
Mama said 2 robbing incident the woman do, you know.
Yeah, yeah. Lord Jesus Christ. I have bare blood clotics, this fucking teeth though. You can't bring your American lifestyle or your English lifestyle to Jamaica, bitch. Them will kill you. Here?
Yeah. Anyway, people, me I got my bed in the cars.
Yeah.
And I'll give nobody
Me I
my
go eat my
time.
Suasian
Pretty, we gonna
noodles.
call you. We gonna chat.
Alright, yeah.
I chat. People,
Yeah, go
don't
hear
worry
you
yourself.
go. Don't worry yourself. Wait for the big
It's
bring
healing.
down.
You
Yeah?
understand? She's gonna get it no matter what she say.
We should try
You
run
have to
from.
fucking get it, bitch.
Hugo, I go
But
come
who
talk.
sister everything? Remember, say you put me night in a post. You never leave my name.
Right.
How when me in a year you go business? I'm a god. You still call me name.
Right.
So, babe,
Every
I'm gonna
day.
be on you
Take
like a
what you
fucking
take what you get. You
fly
whatever you
on
dish
shit,
out,
bitch.
Tanya, whatever she dish out, she better can blood clot, make sure she could deal with the consequence and when it
I
turn
have to
right
take
back.
it.
Yeah, she have to take it. She have to take it. Candy, we'll talk.
Okay.
All right.
Candy, nice having a
Later, you
party.
guys. Later, you
See you
guys on the
guys
live.
later.
Yeah, yeah, I'm
See you
telling you.
guys.
Yeah, we are come after. Black Swords on the live talking.
Yeah,
Also, big up yourself, real Danalanda. We don't talk.
yeah.
Now waste no more time, Pampus. Later,
No more.
people.
Later,
Bye.
guys. Bye.
Bye. Hey, Fred, Dev, you come on the live are done. We gotta save the live, people. Big up yourself. Donna, big up. Sitting real quick.